My name is Victor Nzenwa. I'm a member of Joyce Champion Kids. I'm here to bring you updates on the just concluded Joyce Champion Kids Mathematics quiz competition, which was held on the 12th of April 2022. But before we continue, this video will be divided into 3 sections. In the first section, we will talk about Joyce Champion Kids, its purpose, scope, and aim. In the second section, we will talk about the pioneer of Joyce Champion Kids. In the last section, we will talk about the just concluded Joyce Champion Kids Mathematics quiz competition. Joyce Champion Kids is a teens group founded in 2015 to provide sustainable support to teenagers in Nigeria and beyond in discovering and realizing their dreams. No child is a non-entity. That is what we believe. JCK is passionate about the composite academic status of an average teenager below 18 years in Nigeria and beyond, which resonates with our objectives. 1. Discovering and development of teens' potential through talent hunt and competitions. 2. Educative tours through focused excursions. 3. Self-development through skill set acquisition schemes and partnership. 4. Inculcating viable leadership values through mentorship and discipleship. 5. Eradication of mass phobia in young teenagers through concise tutoring and academic follow-up. Rejoice C. Obedeto is the founder and pioneer of Joyce Champion Kids. She's a graduate of University of Nigeria, Nsukka. She studied education mathematics. She's an educational consultant. She's a lover of kids. She's gifted and talented in child's upbringing. Several times she has handled issues of students not understanding what is being taught in school. She is a lover of God. In her worship place, she is into children and the youth ministry. She tries her best to encourage children to behave. Some of her hobbies are teaching, singing, writing, reading, cooking, motivating, giving. She is jovial and nice to be with. And before you get any ideas, she's happily married. The exam started with the screening of the various candidates and allocation of seats and their seat numbers. Immediately after the screening, the exam paper was distributed and it officially started around 11 o'clock. The participants were given a total of 1 hour to answer all the questions. A total of 25 objective questions and 10 theory questions were given to them. More than 7 schools were represented and more than 40 students participated in this second edition of Joyce Champion Kids Mathematics Quiz competition. After the exam, we now went over to the presentation of awards or gifts to the winners of this second edition of JCK Mathematics Quiz competition. It started with the opening prayer of one of the school's representatives. The pioneer of Joyce Champion Kids also gave a speech to the participants of the second edition of Joyce Champion Kids Mathematics Quiz competition.
Yes. I want to see is that there are students that will say mathematics is not difficult. It's not about being the best. It's about developing yourself after this exam.
She also told the participants that the aim of this exam is to help eradicate mathematics phobia, that is the fear of mathematics in the hearts and minds of students.
I told you that this JCK competition is not a place for us to know the best. It's a place for us to help eradicate mathematics phobia. Do you get what I'm telling you?
It was now followed by the giving of consolation prizes to the various participants that took part in the second edition of the Joyce Champion Kids Mathematics Quiz competition. It was not followed by a short speech by one of the officials before the presentation of the awards to the winners of the competition.
Have you heard about Thomas Edison? Yes. What can you say about him? What do you know about him? Do you know how many times he tried before he succeeded?
The positions were called accordingly from the basic category to the senior category, starting from the third position to the first position. They are as follows. After the giving of awards or gifts to the winners of the competition, one of the school's representatives gave a closing remark and a vote of thanks to JCK family and the pioneer of Joyce Champion Kids and the sponsors that helped in the organizing of this very wonderful competition.
Now, I say thank you so much. This is very it's something that's worth the time and the zeal. Like the name says, Joyce Champion Kids. We are all champions. If you're a champion, say Ahu. Ahu. If you're a champion, say Ahu. Ahu. The teachers present, all the schools present. Thank you so much. It's been a very wonderful competition.
And that's all for the just concluded Joyce Champion Kids Mathematics Quiz competition. We thank you all that participated, those that cheered us, the sponsors. We say, may the Lord bless you.